Hello. Hello.
Hello.
So, my name is Gil Udaundo, and a Sharon Rose Master of Calgary. My wife here will tell more about my journey on this. So I might not be able to tell you fluently about what had happened, but my wife will help me tell you that. Thank you.
Good afternoon, everyone, and welcome to Edmonton. We're so excited to share what really a Sharon Rose Master or our testimony today. But anyway, my name is Patty Udaundo. We are a newly promoted Sharon Rose Master. And that story is what I'm going to share to you. The testimony, the product that helped us. As most of you knows what happened to my husband during the run of our Sharon Rose Master. It's amazing, it's exciting, it's frustrating, it's a life-giving time of our life. My husband had a stroke when we are running Sharon Rose Master. But did we give up? No. This is all about our future, our partners. I said to myself, if I will give up, who will be affected here? Not me, but all my partners who are ready to run. And would you give up on that? No, we did not. We called 911 on November 15, 2023. He had a stroke. We are so blessed and lucky that I am around at that time when he screamed out. I saw him on the floor, I called 911, I took him in the hospital 45 minutes. Hospital told me, are we giving him up? Because he's very sick. And the faith that I have, I said, only my God can take him away. Right now, give him the life that he needs, because if it's his time to go, I'm open to give him to Jesus. And you know what happened in 10 days? 48 hours, he woke up, he started talking, he started saying a lot of things, he started saying a lot of things, and I said to myself, okay, this is good. My faith really come true, and I really stand for that. After 10 days in the ICU, I started sneaking out, giving him Hemohin. And it's like a sneaking. I said, you know what? I believe with Atomies product. And I will surely stand for this, and this is going to be a life-changing for us, a big testimony for us, all the way until we're Imperial Master. 10 days. He's now starting to be normal. He started walking with his walker, talking. And you know what happened after 1 month? 3 times a day. I'm giving him, they're out giving him the food through his tube. I'm also giving the Hemohin 3 times a day, because I am in the hospital from 9 to 11 at night. Until now, can you imagine, no one are believing that he's now standing, talking, and it's like, did he really have a stroke? Yes, he did, 3 months in the hospital. When he's out, until now, he's now in rehab. Twice a day now that I am giving him Hemohin. What is Hemohin? Why am I telling you about Hemohin? This is our product, the Hemohin, the first product of Atomy. What is that anyway? Hemo, him, it's not him and it's not her, right? Hemo is for hemoglobin, H for hematopoiesis, and I is for immunity, M for regulation of your blood. Why are we using it? It's not a medicine. It's only giving us immunity. It's strengthening us. And there's one story that happened to him. Because now that I am a busy mom and a wife, I have to work, I forgot to give him the Hemohin for 1 day. You know what happened? I have to rush him in the hospital because his blood pressure shoot up. And the hospital said, don't worry, it's only 159 over 99. But that really worries me because I don't want to happen again what happened before. You know what I did? In 45 minutes, let's go home. I know that I forgot something. I did not give him that day a Hemohin, which is twice a day that he's using. In less than 4 hours of our sleep, the next morning, he's back to his normal blood pressure. Do you think we will give up Hemohin? No. Do you think we will give up Atomy? No. That's the one that helped my husband right now. And you know, Atomy, we thank you so much for giving us this opportunity to be in this company, to having this all product that are really absolute product with an absolute price. We are Sharon Rose Master of Atomy Canada.
Thank you so much. Isn't that an amazing story? I know we just sometimes